The popularity of AI is sky high, but there is a lot of confusion when it comes to a lot of industries, and education and learning experiences are one of them. No one knows how AI is going to transform both the learning experiences for students and also the teaching style and techniques for the teachers. There are a lot of things which are further complicating and muddying the waters, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence and generative AI adoption rates in different parts of the world. All we are hearing about a lot of LLMs, AI tooling, and concepts coming out of US and maybe from some other parts of the world, but most of the world is still in a lot of confusion as how to proceed about it because first they don't have resources, secondly they don't have the exposure. Still, a majority of the world's population is scrambling to learn about all of this mobile revolution and this cloud technology, and now they have this artificial intelligence which is disrupting everything else. We all know that AI is very powerful and here to stay, but would we be able to correctly lead it to positive educational outcomes? Because it can easily be abused to cheat the current educational system. It is very easy for any student to go online and get their homework done from lot of AI tools without even spending an iota of mental power. So the first thing which everyone needs to do is to clear out this confusion as how AI is going to transform our education system. Secondly, there are a lot of debate going on as how to evaluate the performance of teachers and students in this new AI era. How would you know that the homework has not been done by the ChatGPT or similar tools? And how would you know that this paper or this exam has been marked and scored by a real teacher and not by a bot? So, both students and educators need to go through a thorough assessment and monitoring because performance is key here. According to a study, teachers almost spend 7 hours every week evaluating their students' work and providing feedback. So, yes, AI has a huge potential in reducing that time and increasing the teacher's productivity, but how can we make sure that the valuation and quality doesn't go down? Because we would always need a human touch when it comes to education. One of the greatest area of improvement or support I see from AI in education is around tailored learning or personalization for the students at scale. Every human is different, every child is different, every student is different. We all excel in different subjects. It has been hard for any teacher or any educational institution to tailor the education for every student. AI can do that. AI can spend the time needed to bring the weakest student in the class up to speed with the rest of the students or help the brightest students reach their full potential by challenging them every step because either would negatively impact the bulk of the class. So this is one of the problems where AI can really shine. AI can do comprehensive assessment and AI tooling can identify learning gaps and areas of strength and weaknesses for each student. I believe that a good AI model can simultaneously offer each student the attention they need and also they can improve their performance. Lastly, I believe that AI is only going to succeed in when it comes to education when it will be engaging and it will be a fun experience. Artificial intelligence can enhance the self-paced learning experience. So AI-based real system translation models can increase engagement levels in multilingual classrooms, for example. So I believe that the role of education when it comes to AI will only become more and more prominent and comprehensive in the future, and governments and school and educational institutions really need to rise up to this challenge. Thank you.